Alright, so I was scrolling Facebook Marketplace and I came across a 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser with 300,000 miles and a broken timing belt. So the repair shop told the lady, hey, when a timing belt on this car breaks, it most likely bends valves because it is an interference motor. We could put a timing belt and water pump in this thing, but it might not fix it. The owner of the car decided, I'm not going to waste any more time or money into this thing. I'm going to list it for sale and see if somebody else wants it. And that's where I come in. I drive all the way to Idaho, pick this thing up, bring it back to my shop just to see if I could get this thing running again. There's a good chance it might need an engine, hopefully not. We're gonna throw a timing belt on this thing and see what happens. All right, we got this car back over to the Hybrid Garage headquarters. I pulled off the skid plate and look what I found. A pocket screwdriver. Honestly, these are pretty rare find and exciting to get a new one. Whenever I'm on the tool truck looking for a new one of these, they are requesting an arm and a leg for a little pocket screwdriver. This thing's like brand new. Dang, I'll take it. That was worth the whole purchase of the car right there. A mouse found this engine to be its home and built a nest in the timing belt assembly. I think that's part of the reason why it broke. I was able to turn the crank over 360 degrees. It feels fine, nothing's ran into it. I'm just gonna put the new timing belt water pump, set the timing properly and see what happens. I got this timing belt and water pump right from Toyota. The engine turns over really smooth. It's got good compression. I think we're gonna save this thing. All right, so I got the engine put back together with a new timing belt, water pump, and a serpentine belt. We'll see if this thing sounds okay. I'm gonna go start it up. I really hope that this thing didn't bend any valves when the timing belt broke originally. So if it runs good, this would be a success and really increase the value of this car. $302,000 miles. It's in pretty good shape for what it is. Well, here it goes. Oh, okay. No smoke out the tailpipe, that's a good sign. Wow, it sounds great. Wow, what a sigh of relief. This engine sounds really good. It's nice and healthy. I think it's time to top off the coolant, do an oil change, and take this thing for a test drive. This engine sounds really good. I think something I'm actually surprised about for 302,000 miles. Typically, the exhaust manifolds on these things are leaking a little bit of exhaust. You can really hear it when you rev them up. This engine sounds great. There's no exhaust leaks. It's very smooth. You could probably balance a coin on there. So I got this trick I want to show all of you. Have you ever started up your car in a garage? Even though the door is right near the tailpipe, you still get tons of exhaust fumes over here. But I rigged up this system. This is just an exhaust hose for like a dryer vent that you buy for your house. And I hooked it up to this blower. So now all of the car's exhaust is coming out this way and staying away from the garage. I could even shut the door all the way down to this hose. And I could have my nice heated garage with the car running and get no exhaust fumes. Heater's working good. Not a bad car. Except for this. We're gonna have to figure out this plexiglass window. Compared to my 98 4Runner, this thing is way more comfortable off-road. I think Toyota put a little bit of extra time and care into this thing. Drop a comment down below if you think I should keep this car or sell it. Also let me know, have you had one of these Land Cruisers and what things about it did you like? This is Brandon with Hybrid Garage. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.